This is the restoration journey. In August of 2012, 4 young men, Daniel Chitodi, Mona Mohoma, Maimba Kabinga, and Jarvis Subanda, founded the quartet, naming it Restoration Quartet. The group grew from strength to strength, blessing not only the group members but even society at large. Yet, due to factors such as academic commitments, some members unfortunately had to leave and were thus replaced by Mapwe Mwewa, Neil Foxon, and Eugene Samuele.
Swing down, chair, stop and let me ride. Swing down, chair, stop and let me ride.
The new members breathed life back into the group, molding it into the Restoration Quartet you see here today.
Swing down, swing down, swing down, swing down, swing. Why don't you swing down?
The group still continues to grow from strength to strength, and by God's grace, they form a formidable and powerful group which ministers to all. Further additions were made: Darlington Dube,
my blessed Lord to lead the way. I just try to skate to recording. Oh, sorry.
Brightly
Nyawa Vukola, and Rutendo Munangati. As a result of the expansion, the group evolved from Restoration Quartet to simply Restoration. We are excited to present what we believe is our first biggest achievement thus far. This is the very first album entitled Restoration.
Restoration of my soul comes through Christ.
Praise, honor, glory, and majesty be rendered to the great I Am for such a privilege. We present to you the Restoration album launch.
Christ can restore my soul.